Shailesh Mehta from Morello, his demo. Let's start. So, what do you go putting into it?
Well, as I am all fab, so
Lovely.
we will
I
be
like hearing that.
we'll be using the we will be using three flavors actually. So there's going to be cream cheese, there's going to be cookies and cream, and Oreo cookies, not in a large quantity, but use cookies and cream flavor and the cream cheese flavor. So get the flavor out and make it into a really creamy, cheesy flavor of a shake. See, the idea about with these shakes is now, especially, people are not into just plain shakes. Like, you're used to a mango shake or a chocolate shake. Now the shake flavors have evolved. So people want to taste the flavor when they're drinking something. So other shakes that we will do, you'll see, like for example, tiramisu and all that. So these are new flavors that are coming out in shakes, and pretty much, thankfully, I think we are leading the way. So a lot of companies are, a lot of these new shake companies that are coming out there, we are all trying different kinds of shakes to get the Indian palate to start really enjoying different kinds of flavors when they shake. आराम से. So first we put some vanilla ice cream, then a few Oreo cookies, milk, so this is the cream cheese flavor of Fab. It's an amazing flavor. You should smell it whenever you get a chance. Tastes just like the Philadelphia cream cheese you get. And now this is a large quantity. I'm putting in approximately about 15-16 drops. Usually you need about 2-3 drops of it in one shake. And then we're going to top it up with another, this another flavor which is really popular and it's very good. Enhances anything to do with cookies. It's cookies and cream. So there are cookies and cream. Yeah. Please smell it.
Yeah, there is plenty of samples inside. You can go back and smell it.
फिर निकल गया.
Yeah, no problem. Okay. All the products are there. You can go and smell. Come. आया taste करके ना. आगे और खत्म हो जाएगा. आप अभी ले जाओ जो ले जाना है.
We'll put this out so you guys can all try it. Don't attack.
Yeah. Gurnesh?
The next shake we're going to do is a very, very loaded shake. For that we're going to be using one of our jars. Spoon hai, sab. Gloves no, no gloves.
That's when it's like if anybody needs outside.
Just like your something like a nutty. What
Yes.
is this? Or not?
This is a white chocolate ganache. The Swiss roll. Swiss roll. Strawberry Swiss roll. So this is what we are known for. These are freak shakes. So everything that we put on it is edible, okay? Except for the glass jar. So you don't need the glass jar, but that's how our shakes usually look like. These are the shakes, right? So this is what we call a very, very loaded shake. So it's got, so everything that is going to be in there has to have some kind of a berry part to it. So it's going to be white chocolate ganache, it's got to have strawberry Swiss roll. Now what we're going to do is, we're going to make a berry shake, right? So for the, that's a white chocolate ganache. So the flavor that we use from Fab on in this shake is called, it's a new flavor, it's called Berry Blast. So it's an amazing flavor, and it just, in your mouth you get this, actually get a blast of berries. You got some fresh strawberries. The strawberry crush. Blueberry crush. But the thing with using Fab flavors is that you don't have to put too much quantities of these crushes. That is what is the big plus. This is the Berry Blast flavor. Some of you might want to use that, but I don't. So put about, I'll make extra quantities. ये तो ऐसे ही है मैम. Our own production won't come here. ये तो ऐसे ही बड़ी लगती है. We have our own production of ice cream actually, but normal milk. Maldi, plate, a plate,
as in
and normal plate.
any disposable works, huh?
So this is the stage one of our freak shake. So first we decorate the outside, then we pour in the shake, then we put whipped cream on top. Regular whipped cream.
this on top?
And now you're going to get a
Wow.
cheesecake on top.
Awesome.
So we put a cheesecake on top.
And there's some dustbins and all if you want that.
Yeah. The thing with freak shakes, they are in the market everywhere. One of the things that we try to do is we don't pile in a lot of whipped cream. Most people make freak shakes and they put like 1 pound or 1 kilo of whipped cream on top. So we don't want to do that. So I want to make it look like it's a full meal. Okay. So whoever has this probably won't eat for the next at least 5 hours. So after this, we usually use strawberry ice cream, but here I have only got vanilla. So you'll put some ice cream on top. Actually, we keep the jars frozen. So they're always in the freezer. So that's why the things don't fall off. There you go.
I just wanted
Yeah.
चल उधर करते हैं हाँ
This is a very, very loaded shake.
क्या Shailesh, one smile
Thank
here.
you.
पास कर ले अब एक बार
The very, very loaded shake using the berry blast flavor of Fab. The next shake we're going to do is tiramisu. It's a very intricate flavor. It's got lots of different pieces that go into it. And it's a plain shake. So it doesn't have any toppings or anything. हाँ बाद में ले जाना Does anybody know what goes in a tiramisu? Anyone?
mascarpone, rum, and coffee.
Right. mascarpone नहीं लाया Well, I'm not taking the ice cream back, so might as well finish it. As it is, it's not my ice cream.
Doesn't fit into it, then make second round.
So, the two flavors that we're going to be using for tiramisu here is, of course, tiramisu flavor. They have it. It's really good. And then I like to put some rum into it because I like rum anyways. So, I'll put rum flavor in it. So this is the tiramisu flavor. हाँ? ज़्यादा हो गया था? नहीं पूरा भर जाता है ना? हाँ. This is the white rum flavor. I won't put too much of this because they already have rum in it. And then we add other things to it like finger cookies. So basically you should get the complete flavor of tiramisu in it. So digestive biscuits, brown sugar, And I'll just put cream cheese because I don't think we have the mascarpone here. Add a little bit of cream cheese to it. And then lots of milk. This is starting to remind me of the cafe because you usually go through about 30 liters of milk a day. Sorry, I forgot to add cocoa powder to it. Just need a little bit of cocoa powder. So basically everything that goes in a tiramisu is put into a shake. So instead of eating it, you are drinking it. You can basically smell it if you. Yeah. Ma, mama try karo. है ना? वो गुरनीश को देना गुरनीश क्या
It's very nice.
like it? हाँ Yeah. Thank you. ये बहुत अच्छा शेक है गुरनीश का है
It's actually like an alcoholic beverage.
No. That's why we use flavors because I'm not going to put regular alcohol in it, right? So we put rum flavor in it. Toast. Circle. Gurneesh circle.
Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. Sorry, my hands are all sticky, so. Fab flavors are the best, and if you don't use them, you have no flavor.